my name is Arielle Garcia and I'm your Subaru product specialist at Williams Subaru Charlotte. Behind me we have the 2020 Subaru Outback and we're going to be taking a look inside at some of its new and improved safety and convenience features.
Redesigned this year, the 2020 Outback has a sleek, sporty look and has adopted the Subaru Global platform and comes standard with Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive. With these features, the Outback provides the best stability, safety, and on-road performance than previous model years. Inside, you'll find a lot of big changes, including this tablet-style screen combining most of your safety, convenience, and climate control functions. Available on some models is the TomTom navigation, and if not, all Outbacks come standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, where you can plug your phone in and use phone applications like Google Maps, Waze, Spotify, and Pandora. Like all Subarus, the Outback is packed with safety features and comes standard with Subaru's award-winning EyeSight driver assist technology, including safety features like pre-collision braking and adaptive cruise control. Also available are blind spot detection, rear cross traffic alerts, and the all-new driver focus system, built to ensure drivers don't get distracted while driving. For added convenience, the Subaru Outback also offers an all-new hands-free power rear gate and trunk memory height functions. Also available is a Starlink safety and security system, helping to keep you and your vehicle safe. Upgraded Starlink options will offer remote services such as remote climate control and remote start.
The Subaru Outback is a great vehicle for anybody looking for a safe and comfortable ride. Right now, Subaru is offering 0% APR financing on the Subaru Outback for select terms, as well as other Subaru models and deferred payment options. Williams Subaru offers you a Lifetime Powertrain Warranty complimentary with any new vehicle purchase, as well as your first free scheduled maintenance.
To learn more about the Subaru Outback, visit us here at the dealership or on our website at williamssubarucharlotte.com to look at our available inventory, or use our new Love It Now store to reserve your Outback today.